everyone, it's time for another monochromatic hop over on Instagram, and here's my video that goes with it. This week is Coastal Cabana. Probably a really pretty colour that I do get drawn to a lot. Gives me that beachy seaside kind of feel. So to create my card today, I am using old and new products. The newly retired artist die is the one that I am using, and this is a great one for beginners to cut out and use over the top of all that inking, because it can be a bit blotchy when you're first starting out. But the new thing is the Simply Said stamp set, and I'm going to use the thanks out of this one for my sentiment today. This is a very simple card. I'm trying to keep all these monochromatic hop cards very simple. So if you are a beginner, please try to follow along. Just pause the video as you go, watch it as many times as you like. I'm going to layer this up. Now, there is no right and wrong. I actually just scribble all of this glue all over the back. Yes, it does get a little bit sticky, but I have got a tip for you which you can't see in this video, but I used Wink of Stella over the top, all the sticky parts, later on once it was dry, and it actually looks really, really pretty. So that's it. It's just a bit of inking on white cardstock, stick your die cut over the top, and we're going to pop it onto our card base, which is of course the Coastal Cabana. Now before I do have this old retired twine. I've said in other videos you can colour your own twine if you've got the basic white twine, but this one was already coloured for me, so why not use it? It's a bit chunkier than the basic white, but it does the same job. So really you're just creating that visual vertical horizontal element to your card, and I'm sticking it down with double-sided tape to keep it there. And I'm matting up my thanks sentiment, trimming it off so it's nice and neat and tidy, and then adding a few dimensional dots, and I've decided to pop it onto the right hand side of my card. I tend to gravitate for sentiments to the right. And then that's just about it. I will add a little bow. This is a really good tip too. Just make a simple bow, grab a glue dot, and then stick it underneath your sentiment. It gives that element of a bunched up bit of twine or ribbon that you're using, and you don't have to actually tie it on the page. It's quite clever really. It does look like it's been tied. Now because I am popping this up with my dimensional dots, I am going to be using quite a few, which of course makes a nice big mess of your craft room because of all those little backing dots everywhere. And I have discovered that since I've regrown my natural nails, I don't need to use a use your pick tool or anything like that to take it off, but of course you can if you like. And that's pretty much it for this card, guys. Make sure you are hopping over to everybody's spot, and I'll see you soon.